Oh shit!
Looks like we've caught the whale.
I've caught a whale!
Woo!
I caught a
Big mama.
Oh, is he falling off? Oh, here he is. Here he is. What is it? What is it? Oh my god, it's a massive brim.
That's a Maui.
It's a tarwine.
That's a fucking Taiwan. It's a Maui.
Is it?
Marong. Maui deep sea bream, they reckon. That's what they call
Hurry
it.
up, take a photo.
Bro, I'm recording.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, man.
Hey, check it out. I caught it on the smaller hook. A fucking lucky black magic hook. And you were like, oh yeah, catch small fish. Bitch, please. I'm happy with this.
Where's the whale? I want to catch a whale.
There. Oh no, there.
Oh, jeez.
Fuck, I'm happy with this. Hey man, I think I beat you. Oh god. Ah shit, this thing's massive. Hey, take a photo.
Dude, I'm still recording.
Oh, but I... Shit! Dropped my phone. Hold on, get rid of it.
Gotta carry it or?
I'm trying to.
Looks like you're scared.
Shut up.